am thinking upon revealing my first semester overall results.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the exam vlog and also to yet another sun slapped intro. I hope you guys are doing good, having an amazing day. So by the title of this video, you know that what's gonna be happening in the next coming days. So I even have to over explain it? I don't think so. मेरे exam start हो रहे हैं from the 17th, which is tomorrow. Yes, today is the 16th of March that I'm starting this vlog. It's already 5:37 in the evening right now and still the sun is so bright. The thing is that I was meaning to start this video pretty early, but then मैं चीज़ों में इतनी ज़्यादा खो जाती हूँ कि मैं भूल ही जाती हूँ that I was supposed to do something my first paper is tomorrow जो कि maths का है. But you know what, I'm actually quite at a better position compared to the last vlog क्योंकि I just did start to study early this time and that was actually quite a great decision because at least I'm not panicking one day before the exams. क्या मतलब दूसरे exams में कर रही होंगी, but anyways क्योंकि I've studied and I have been studying very consistently since the past 4-5 days. That academic hit that you get, वो मुझे rarely कभी college में आके feel हुआ है. So I've just been getting that thing these days and you know I actually quite like it and I missed it, so I just thought upon mentioning about it. But yeah, I obviously want my exams to get over as soon as possible and इस बार I just have 3 papers अभी जो कि midterms में I have to give. So I have one tomorrow, then the other the day after tomorrow and then the last one on Friday. I have got 4 major subjects but उसमें से एक exam will be having the next week, so that would be of concern later. But अभी I just have to give 3 papers and उसमें से जो बीच का paper है जिसके लिए I just have got half of a day. I'm clueless about that subject, so ठीक है, we'll be getting through that together hopefully. आज का प्लान तो obviously मैथ्स पढ़ना है एंड देन अच्छे से रिवाइज वगैरह करना है so that हम कल पेपर बहुत अच्छे से दे सके, होप सो. सो या दैट वाज द होल थिंग. अभी मैं कुछ देर के बाद ही पढ़ने बैठूंगी, मे बी हाफ एन आवर लेटर बिकॉज आई एम रियली हंग्री एंड आई हैव टू फिगर आउट व्हाट टू ईट एंड वो मैं अब तक फिगर आउट कर नहीं पाई हूँ. सो दैट वुड टेक मी एटलीस्ट हाफ एन आवर. देन उसके बाद फॉर श्योर वी आर गोना बी सिटिंग डाउन एंड स्टडीइंग. For me, actually, the best feeling in this world has to be checking off things from your to-do list. It gives me another level of happiness and satisfaction. I don't know. Also guys, I really wanted to ask you about something. That does this thing even happen with you? That exams के पहले ही you too also create a whole list of things that you need to get done post exams. You know, it has all those exciting things and even the most random things जो कि आप ऐसे भी नहीं कर रहे थे before the exams. But then because there is this exam, you just treat it as a bridge that exams हो जाए बस उसके बाद we'll be getting everything done. भाई मेरी वो वाली list इतनी ज़्यादा expand हो रही है ना, what do I tell you, I just have made such a huge list of things that I need to get done post exams and I think I will be doing that this time because मेरे पास काफ़ी सारे exciting चीज़ें हैं जो कि मेरे को करना है. But then you know what, somehow exams के बाद that feeling just disappears. It does not remain the same anymore. Do let me know in the comments if you have any time felt the same.
A few inches later.
I'm catching up with you at 11:40 at night. I'm done preparing whatever I had to, and अब I think I should stop because my brain would not process more. मैं literally बस सुबह से आज पढ़ रही हूँ, and I'm just so happy and proud about that for some reason. But yeah, I just feel like after such a long time I feel that academic fulfillment today. That is actually a nice feeling to have after such a long time. But हाँ, I just got done with the topics that I had to. Majorly मैंने सब कुछ कर लिया है. I just have to like go through. Basically I just have to revise एक दो topic जो कि मैंने 2 दिन पहले पढ़ा था. I think I just need to brush up it once, but I really cannot do it right now. I'm thinking that I'll wake up tomorrow and it will just take like 1 hour and I can just revise everything nicely tomorrow morning. So yeah, I am thinking that I'll just put an alarm of 7 o'clock and then wake up. I have my exam starting at 10. It's from 10 to 11. It's like a 1 hour paper of 30 mark. So yeah, that's the thing. I've like studied quite nicely for maths, even though I have not like filmed anything. बहुत scattered होकर के मैंने सब कुछ film किया है. I hope that the paper is set decently so that we students can just make it. But वो तो कल ही पता चलेगा. I'll be letting you know that tomorrow. I'm really not sure if I'd be able to sleep early because मैं शाम को गलती से सो गई थी. So that is surely gonna be affecting my sleep schedule for today. But we'll have to manage with that. So yeah, I'll be seeing you tomorrow morning. Bye. Good night.
The next day.
Good morning. I am done with everything possible that I could do, and now I'll just be leaving for my exam. I'm actually a little bit scared now, but ठीक है, whatever happens we'll see to it. My bag is packed. I've kept all of my things. I just have to get black pens because I don't have them. I will be coming and checking upon you once I'm done with the paper, obviously. So yeah, wish me luck. Bye bye bye.
इम्तिहान की घड़ी इनकी पता नहीं कौन सी घड़ी चल. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is. Okay, so it's 5:54 right now. I woke up at around 5. I know it's pretty late, but then what happened is that I came back at around like 1:30, and then I slept at like 2 because I was like I'm gonna be getting up at 4. So I slept at around 2:30, and then I did get up at 4. You know what? I did get up at 4, but then उस time तक I had slept so badly, like I was interrupted with so many things. There was like a delivery guy beach में, then somebody called me up and I was just so pissed that I slept for an extra hour. मैं वापस से सो गई, and the second time I slept I just saw such a bad dream and it was like not at all a good decision for me to sleep again. So I regret that too, and मेरा दिमाग literally process नहीं कर पा रहा था once I woke up because I was already having that exam stress that मेरे को बहुत सारी चीज़ें पढ़नी है and मैंने पढ़ी नहीं है कुछ भी, and मैं already late उठी हूँ, so I don't have enough time as well. So I just made myself a nice cup of cold coffee because I was like, this is the only way that's gonna be helping me out. So yeah, I just made it and it's actually quite very much yummy. The plan obviously इसकी पढ़ाई करनी है because we do not have any other option. Oh अच्छा, let's just first talk about today's paper. how can we not, I'll just be showing it to you. Wait for a second. Okay, so this is the paper, guys, right here. And मेरा पहला reaction seeing the paper was really not good. It was not at all good. मैं पूरा syllabus पढ़ के गई थी. This was for the first time that I was just so confident about a paper. क्योंकि मैंने सारा content पढ़ा हुआ था, obviously. But there were some questions that apparently was not even taught to us. Like basically इसके sample questions we were not made to practice, and it still came. And you know what? People were actually fighting over the paper that it was just so difficult and it was like very badly set. Even though I would agree to some extent that it was badly set, but मेरा exam comparatively, like as compared to those people, सही गया है, and I hope so that I score decently in it. I obviously won't be able to score super good, and उसका मैंने दुख already मना लिया, so I'm not gonna be ranting about that anymore. But then apparently because it went better than most amount of people, I was happy about it at the end. So that's the review for today's maths paper that is now gone. We have ISA paper tomorrow, which is by the way statistical analysis, and I really have to gear up and study for it nicely. Kuch der mein I'll just be sitting down to study. Maybe at around like 6. It's 5:50 right now, so I'll see you then.
A few minutes later.
catching up after a long time. It's like 12:06 right now. Yes, it's midnight and मेरा फ़ोन भी बिल्कुल चार्ज नहीं था, मेरा कैमरा भी बिल्कुल चार्ज नहीं है. But I just thought upon checking up with you guys about everything that I have done. तो मैंने ये सारे टॉपिक्स करने थे, आधे मैंने लिखे भी नहीं है because at that point of time I was just so scared about how am I gonna be doing everything. But I'm just so happy to say that I've covered all of them. I'm just so happy to say that I'm done with everything. I've like even revised it all once more and I've even made like short notes so that I can just go through them kal before the exam and like even in the morning. अभी तो मैं जल्दी से इसको check off करूँगी because that is just gonna be giving me so much of joy. I was like so scared to even start studying for this subject because पहले से मैंने कुछ भी नहीं कर रखा था unlike maths. But then now that I've studied things, I just feel so much better and I really hope that कल का exam अच्छा जाए better from what it went today. This is a good thing, touch wood, but yeah, exams के time पे I actually do study काफ़ी ऐसे focus होकर के and मैं पढ़ लेती हूँ because elsewise I'm such a kind of person जो कि इतना ज़्यादा panic करता है and like in that panic stricken mode all I can do is ruin stuffs. So वो hopefully I'm not doing, even though I was like in such a cranky bad pissed off mood शाम में because of so many reasons, but then क्योंकि we have made it and वो भी quite जल्दी ही because it's just 12:09. So I think that's a great thing. Now I will just be trying to sleep. मैं try ही कर सकती हूँ क्योंकि सो तो मैं पाती नहीं हूँ जल्दी, but yeah, I'll be seeing you tomorrow morning. Bye, good night.
Good morning, guys. Very good rising. तुम मिले
Exam goes well. मैथ के पेपर के बाद आवाज नहीं निकल रही थी हमारी.
Hi guys, I'm back. It's around 12:18 right now. Paper was actually very easy. I just did all the questions and I feel I can score full. So yeah, that's a great thing. I have the next paper परसों. कल मेरी छुट्टी है. अभी I'll just be changing, having some food, getting all freshen up, and I'll be taking a nice nap. Like a satisfactory one क्योंकि आज का paper went nice. So yeah, I'll be seeing you after a while.
A few moments later.
Okay, I didn't sleep because it apparently started to rain out of nowhere, and because it's raining, you know what I'm doing? Obviously. This, by the way, is the first rain of 2026 and I am so happy. What? It's a golden day today because my exam bhi acha gaya. It suddenly started to rain. What else do I want in life? Like, what else do I want? Isn't this the whole point? It's thundering like anything, guys. Okay. We are prepping for it. It's over for me. Also like this song too. It's such a vibe. You guys. Like the entire album resides in my heart. Like, I don't know what. It's never gonna be getting old for me, guys.
One eternity later.
Okay, hi guys. So it's the next day. I'm literally checking in after like 24 hours. कल भी मेरी कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं हो पाई थी because I was really not feeling good, and आज भी सुबह से मेरा सिर एकदम भारी लग रहा था. I was like constantly feeling that I should sleep, and I even did sleep so much, but because it couldn't get any better, I just thought upon taking a shower so that I feel better. I do feel a bit better now, but हाँ, मैं ज़्यादा पढ़ाई नहीं कर पाई हूँ. I could just do a few topics and I just have so much to do. But yeah, let's just sit down right now with the motivation that tomorrow is gonna be over. So let's go. We are gonna be making through it together. Let's get grinding. You know, this one day I was really not feeling like studying. I just didn't have that motivation inside me for some reason. Even though like I knew that it was going to be my last paper and I can just easily get through it and then next day it would be over, I was just not able to make it. Since the morning I was trying and procrastinating all of my things, and moreover I was really not feeling well, so that also added up to the situation. So right here I just wanted to come up and tell you guys that it's never like I am always super productive, I don't have bad days, because I see a lot of comments and people assume me like that. But you know what, let me just put this up very honestly that yes, I too have a lot of unproductive days wherein I just have to push myself through and get things done. So no way I want you to compare yourself to anybody on the internet and define your worth accordingly. It's just that some days we all just need to push through and just get things done even if we are not willing to, and that change of mindset is all that we need.
The next day.
It's 8:56 in the morning and as you can see I'm like already all set to leave for my last exam. Yes, it's happening. We're gonna be giving our last paper today. आज मेरी morning काफी early हुई थी. I like woke up at around 6:15 only because I had to study a few programs. क्योंकि it's our last paper today, everything is valid. So yeah, I'll leave in almost like 5 minutes. And also आज I've got ready properly ऐसे बहुत दिनों के बाद, so I'm feeling like really nice and pretty. I really hope that the exam also goes pretty so that you know everything makes sense. But for now, let us just leave. Let me take you through my last exam day.
चलो आज इसने मेरे को कुर्ती पहना दिया, घड़ी मेरे को कहीं नहीं लेके गई, कहीं नहीं लेके गई। अगली बार ये आपको व्लॉग्स में नहीं दिखेगी। आज ये इनका लास्ट व्लॉग है।
Hi guys, so I just got back home right now. It's 4:59 and literally अभी just 5 मिनट पहले आई हूँ. I just randomly went to my friend's house and that too for the first time. So I was there since the past few hours and then I was like, let's just get back home. Paper खत्म हो गए भाई, I cannot believe. And trust me or not, you guys were like such a crucial part of it. I've literally got this thing that I get through all of my exams just because I know that you all are sticking with me. This thing has just been embedded into me so much in some way. I really don't know. But yeah, thank you so much for being along. Also, आज का paper भी काफी अच्छा हुआ. Like I was so scared about today's paper because I'm like not a huge fan of that subject, but still the paper went really nice. I did all the questions, so yeah. So like for the ones asking, I'm thinking upon revealing my first semester like overall results. So I got a total of 8.89 CGPA in my first semester. बस थोड़े से पीछे रह गई from 9, but it's still okay. We are gonna be trying and managing that इस semester में. I am trying my best to do that. But हाँ, that was just the reveal. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please do let me know that in the comments. I would just love to read and reply all of your comments. They just make my day. And if you're watching till here, then comment 1111 so that I know that you are the one. I'll be seeing you super soon in a brand new video. Until then, just take care of yourself, keep smiling, and I love you all. I always will. Also, just make sure to subscribe. Let's just hit 100k soon. Okay, now bye.